In today's fast-paced world, the college admissions process has become increasingly competitive, with students vying for spots at top colleges and universities. While many students focus on academic achievements and extracurricular activities to strengthen their college applications, they may overlook the significance of service industry jobs. Working in a service industry job, such as being a grocery store bagger, may not seem glamorous, but it can play a pivotal role in shaping a student's character, work ethic, and interpersonal skills, qualities highly valued by college admissions officers. Developing valuable skills and qualities. Service industry jobs demand hard work and dedication, often involving physically demanding tasks and extended hours. Students who take up these roles demonstrate their willingness to put in the effort and persevere in challenging environments. Colleges appreciate candidates who have shown a strong work ethic, as it reflects their commitment to personal growth and contributing to their community. Moreover, balancing work commitments with academic responsibilities and extracurricular activities requires effective time management and responsibility. Students in service industry jobs must handle their work schedule efficiently, ensuring they fulfill their duties while meeting academic deadlines. This demonstrates their ability to manage competing priorities, a skill that will serve them well in their college years and beyond. Enhancing interpersonal skills. Working in service industry jobs involves constant interaction with diverse individuals, from customers to coworkers and supervisors. Students in these roles must communicate effectively to provide quality service and address any concerns promptly. These experiences hone their communication skills, which are essential in all aspects of life, including academic and professional settings. Moreover, service jobs can present challenging situations where customers may be upset or dissatisfied. Learning to handle conflicts with grace and empathy is a valuable life skill that shows maturity and emotional intelligence. Colleges seek students who can navigate difficult situations with understanding and compassion. Interacting with people from different backgrounds and cultures broadens students' perspectives and fosters a sense of inclusivity. This exposure to diversity helps create well-rounded individuals who appreciate the value of cultural exchange and collaboration, which are crucial qualities in a college community. Opportunities for leadership and initiative. Service industry jobs offer opportunities for students to take initiative beyond their assigned roles. Whether it's suggesting process improvements to enhance efficiency or volunteering to help with additional tasks, students who show initiative display a proactive approach to their work, an attribute that colleges admire in prospective students. Within service industry jobs, students may be given leadership responsibilities, such as training new hires or supervising a team during busy periods. Demonstrating leadership capabilities at a young age indicates a strong potential for future leadership roles, making a student an appealing candidate to college admissions officers. Different kind of extracurricular activity. While traditional extracurricular activities like sports and clubs are valuable, working in a service industry job offers a unique perspective on the world. It exposes students to various challenges faced by individuals in the workforce and provides insight into the importance of service-oriented work. This exposure can shape a student's sense of purpose and commitment to making a positive impact on society. Additionally, admissions officers appreciate students who actively engage in their communities and display initiative outside of academic settings. Service industry jobs showcase a student's proactive approach to gaining practical experience and contribute to their community, setting them apart from peers who may have focused solely on academic achievements. In conclusion, working in a service industry job, such as being a grocery store bagger, can be a remarkable asset for students seeking admission to top colleges. Beyond the surface-level perceptions of these jobs, they play a crucial role in developing essential skills and qualities highly valued by college admissions officers. From learning the importance of hard work and time management to honing communication, conflict resolution, and leadership skills, students in service industry jobs are uniquely prepared for the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead in college and beyond. Colleges seek well-rounded individuals who can contribute positively to their campus community and demonstrate a commitment to personal growth and societal impact. Working in a service industry job offers students a platform to display these qualities and stand out in the competitive college admissions process. So, students, embrace the experiences and lessons from your service industry job, for they are the building blocks of your future success and the key to unlocking the doors to your dream colleges. Embrace these opportunities and let your passion, dedication, and growth shine through, as they will pave the way for a bright and successful future. If you have questions or need assistance with the college admissions process, the IB Institute is here to help. Contact us today for personalized college admissions guidance and support. Our experienced consultants can provide valuable insights, help you navigate the complexities of the application process, and maximize your chances of success in gaining admission to your dream colleges. Don't hesitate to reach out to us for expert assistance and advice on your college journey.